I'm out here by the tower with Daisy. And I can listen to the sandhill cranes. And there's a duck over here. And I might go try and see that. I've gathered on a bouquet of pussy willows because people like those. So I've got a vase to put these in. And then here's some sticks for furniture. But I gotta go check out this duck to see what's happening over here because I got a nice little walkway by the tower and a trampoline. To see what this duck is screaming about. They're nesting over here. When it gets warm enough to shovel gravel, I'm going to bring some gravel over here. That's what these tires are for. I've buried tires for a walkway through the marsh here. It's a big old mallard duck. You can't see it on here, but he's and I see the hen too. He's establishing his territory. That's why he's quacking so loud. But pretty soon they'll have little ducklings and it'll be drier out and I'll try to get over there and get a shot of the ducklings. I gotta get over. I'm waiting for the road to dry a little bit since it thawed. There's some foxes over yonder. I gotta go check out the fox den, see if I can't get a film about the little baby foxes. But it's still kind of wet here on the tower. But I better get these pussy willow bouquet and put them in some water. I don't know if that even helps because I just tore them off the plant. But this is AugustusLarch. I'm out checking out the duck population and gathering pussy willows.